Do you know that it takes 50 years for rubber to decompose? Just think about these old tires that we toss out. Let's convert these old tires into gorgeous seaters in a crazily easy way. Clean the tires and let them dry. There is no drilling or glue needed in any part of this project. All we need is an old car tire and an old sari. Cut the pallu of the sari and keep it aside. Cut the remaining sari into 4-inch wide long strips. Roll the strips as it is easy to wrap them around the tire. You may also join 2 strips together if needed with the help of needle and thread. Start by tying a knot to the strip and then wrap it around the tire this way. In the end, tuck it in and secure it with needle and thread. At this point, we need a metal plate that fits the tire and some cotton from an old pillow. Wrap it around with the pillow we kept aside. To increase its height, simply place it on top of an old stool or another tire. Let's do our share of minimizing trash and protecting our Mother Earth. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you do, please share your comments. This is your Sue signing off.